Gwatiri undu ta nganja thirikari ni kwambiriria mutaratara wa kwendia imwe cia honge cia githirikari iria itakoretwo ikionania umithio munene wa guteithiriria thirikari kimbeca. Ndumiriri irerekereirio ni ministry ya kigina yaniriire honge 11 iria cithurimitwo na riu muingi ni ukuheo kanya ga kuheana woni wigie kana riciria riri ni ribatie, na maoni maya makaheanwo tariki 11 mweri ukite icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi. Honge iria cikuhutio ni ruhonge rwa KLB, nyumba ya mishemanio ya KICC, ruhonge rwa maguta rwa National Oil, ruhonge rwa mbegu guku bururi-ini Kenya Seeds Company Limited, kiganda kia mucere kia Mwea Rice Mills, kiganda kia mucere kia Western Kenya Rice Mills Limited, na kambuni ya maguta ya Kenya Pipeline.
Parliament approved that those companies will have to the leasing model was only leasing of the what you're calling the nucleus estate, the ancestral land of those farmers, cannot be taken away. It's just a lease.
Igene ruhonge rwa iria rwa New KCC, ruhonge rwa Numerical Machining Complex, ruhonge rwa uthondeki wa ngari rwa Kenya Vehicle Manufacturers Limited, na kiganda gya guthondeka ngora kia Rivertex East Africa Limited.
Privatization is from public to private. So if you have to the reverse, then you'll have to pass a different legal framework or a different piece of law, which would be now the nationalization law, which now my committee is working on.
Mweri-ini wa gatatu mwaka uyu ndudu ya minister ni yaheire ministry ya kigina mahinya ma kwendia imwe cia honge cia thirikari, na mweri muthiru bunge ya bururi ni yahetukirie watho wa kurumirirwo mutaratara-ini uyu uria urongoreirio honge itanyihire 35.
By the signing of this bill into law, it means that those entities that were on the program or the schedule to be privatized is vacated. That will mean that now cabinet has to come up with a new schedule, with a new program for privatization.
President William RUTO akoretwo akinyita mbaru mubango uyu na gutwika ni gukoretwo na mateta mate angikorwo ni gukombwo bodi ya kunyabara mutaratara wa kwendia kambuni citoria kwendekithitio watho-ini uria wekirirwo kirore ni president. Bunge yahota gukorwo ikiguthwo kigokora na guthengio wira-ini wayo wa kunyabara.
Cabinet has to present a privatization program to the National Assembly for approval.
Njira iria cikuhuthika wendi-ini uyu kuringana na watho ni kwendia shares kuri muingi, kwendia shares kugerera tenda ya muingi gatagati ka njira ingi iria cikuiguithanirio ni ndudu ya minister. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wagujiri.